Good evening, viewers. We are here at Chitrakala Parishad, Bangalore, with the artwork of my wife, which she started in her childhood, in her school days. After that, there was a gap for a long time, and she started once again with all this cross stitch as well as long stitch, with small artwork. Gradually, along with time, she regained her confidence and started creating some masterpieces. We get the privilege to exhibit some of our artwork here in Chitrakala Parishad from 5th to 8th, which is going on. Today is the end day. There are a lot of viewers coming over here. There are a lot of great artists with their artwork and all.
मेरा नाम सीमा दत्ता है। मैं एक प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट हूँ। मेरा काम ये लॉन्ग स्टिच और क्रॉस स्टिच में काम करती हूँ। बेसिकली मैं कलकत्ता से हूँ और अभी मैं चित्रकला परिषद में एग्जीबिशन कर रही हूँ। ये मेरा काम है टाइगर, मदर मेरी, अश्वमेधा, जो 8 घोड़ों का है, लैंडस्केप, यहाँ पे भी घोड़ा है। तो ये मैं सफ़ेद कपड़े के ऊपर करती हूँ, जो कॉटन धागे होते हैं, कलरफुल धागे हैं। जैसे इसमें मैंने 60 शेड्स धागों का यूज़ किया है। ये सफ़ेद कपड़े के ऊपर बना है और 60 शेड्स के धागे यूज़ हुए हैं इस पर। इसको बनाने में मुझे 3 साल लग गए हैं और इसको बनाने में मुझे 9 महीने लग गए और इसको बनाने में मुझे 1.5 साल लग गए और इसको बनाने में मुझे 2 साल लग गए। मैं अपने घर के काम के साथ ये मेरा पैशन है।
It will be a pleasure for me to describe her work because I have seen right from the scratch regarding this creation and all, based on white cloth in most of the cases. Only if you can see over here, this tiger, this is on black cloth. She prepares it through cross stitch and some are there with long stitch. These all what are the imagination and what the thing and what the figure she thinks or do the R&D jobs and all. Through that she prepare all these things. Here you see one more masterpiece of her. According to her, she tried to portray the picture of Venice. You can find it over here. So this one is, she has taken this one almost around 2 years time to finish the thing right from the scratch on a piece of cloth. And right from the beginning she has done it, maintaining each and every family responsibility. She has got a unique passion for this particular stitch work because according to her, what I have heard, this is a ancient Asian art which is dying. She wants to bring this ancient Asian artwork, this cross stitch and long stitch, and she wants to bring it back and make this thing popular in India. She likes to motivate new generation on this. She has worked very hard for this one, and every time she gets some sort of time and all, she devotes herself with this. While concentrating on this art, I would like to mention this is not a white one, this is a black cloth. On that, again from the beginning, she has portrayed this Royal Bengal tiger who is in water. Just look at the water and its shades and all. Try to understand the blend of the colors thread. Here, whatever I know, probably almost 38 to 40 numbers of shade has been used to give the shape, to give the proper imagination and all over here. Another thing you just try to see every time the mother is there to make her sleep and all. Here, as per the imagination, see the angel is here to help the baby to sleep and all. The angel is there with a ray of light, ray of hope to the child. So that has been portrayed on, you can see on the top, it's a white piece of cloth, and on that 37 shades has been used, threads, to give this lighter shade image creation. Till such time, I was telling about her creation in cross stitch. Now I will show you all the long stitch. If you see the horse, this stitch pattern is different, and this horse is made through long stitch. So with this, both the patterns of long stitch and cross stitch, her creation in stitch work is there. If you go a bit down, you will find there is a banjara made by her only. That is also a long stitch. Here is another glaring example of long stitch. A banjara has been made through long stitch. You can find out a couple of multiple shade on a base cream. It has been made and duly framed after the creation, which you are getting over here through his work. We just want to end up with a message that, see, all these things are being promoted by the government. If I show you this one, this particular artwork has been selected this year by Karnataka government handicraft department for national contest and all, wherever from the pan India, all the artists and their artwork comes, and ultimately they get the recognition and all. So with a desire in mind that government will promote this ancient artwork, new people will come, new students will come, they will be interested with this artwork, which is almost dying. She requires some sort of motivation. She requires that people should come over here in this particular art, because if you see, the entire exhibition is full with the painting and all. This is a very unique one, which she is trying to promote over here in the society. So help is required from everybody so that people take interest in this artwork of her. And I would like to say, all of you, thank you for watching.
Subscribe Art News World and press the bell icon for more videos.